Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a WhatsApp link into your Windows and you can do it into your mobile phone in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, when we're going to a note, you can choose any of your note, but I will choosing Google Keep Note. And here I will just want to type HTTPS semicolon slash check smaller letter WA full stop 70 one slash, and now you just need to give your now you just need to give your mobile country code. In my country is Bangladesh, so I'm going to give 880 and then I will give my number. And I give my number and that's it. Just now you just need to click on right mouse button and you can see there will be this a little pops up here that call open link. If you now click on that and it will automatically redirect you to the your WhatsApp. So this is how you can create WhatsApp link into your computer or you can do it into your mobile phone. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, and goodbye.